Today we will be covering the fundamentals of future tense, which is Toekomende Tyd in Afrikaans. There are 3 fundamental rules that are applied to the verb 1 in the sentence. These verbs include general verbs, is as the verb, and het as the verb. Rule 1 is applied to general verbs such as eet, loop, and lees, etc. To apply Rule 1, put sal in the place of verb 1 and place verb 1 at the end of the sentence. Let us look at an example. Ek doen navorsing oor baie plante. Navorsing is research in Afrikaans. This becomes ek sal navorsing oor plante doen. Rule 2 is applied when is the verb 1 in your sentence. Put sal in the place of is and put wees at the end of your sentence. Let's have a look at an example. Ons onderwyser is baie vriendelik. Becomes ons onderwyser sal baie vriendelik wees. Rule 3 is applied when het is the verb. To apply Rule 3, replace het with sal and put he at the end of the sentence. Now it's time to apply what you have learned. Let's see if you can change the sentences on the screen to Toekomende Tyd. Pause the video to take a moment to jot down your answers. Now it's time to mark your answers. For Rule 1, the correct answer is almal sal warm koffie in die winter drink. For Rule 2, the answer is die seuns sal vandag vroeg by die skool wees. And for Rule 3, the correct answer is die 3 meisies sal blou rokke aan hê. I hope you found this video helpful.